Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change keyboard size on your Android phone on the latest Android version. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up a keyboard as an example. First thing you need to do is just open up any app or anything that requires keyboard. So here I'm just going to open up messages. And when I do that and I try to write a message, it opens up my keyboard. Now once it opens up your keyboard, key here is to go ahead and click on the three dots over here. And when you click on the three dots here, it gives you a couple options here. Now, depending on the Android version that you have, you may see the word resize or keyboard size. So in the newer version, this keyboard size is an option, but you may also see resize. So either of them will work. And when you click on it, it will open up this box, which will allow you to expand the keyboard. As you can see here, I can make the keyboard bigger or even smaller, and even side narrow, or go the other way, make it up here. So depending on how you want the keyboard, you can adjust it accordingly, just like that, up and down. And once you're done, you just click on done. And now as you can see here, I have a bigger keyboard than originally, and I can even also make it smaller by going back again by clicking on those three dots and then resizing it again, just like that, as I need. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.